Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back everybody. I'm very tired. I'm up at the deer farm. I'm going to check all the bees. Got to be done. The weather's a bit crap. Yesterday was nice, today's a bit, yeah, it's nice and dry up here anyway. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Hopefully no swarms. And then I'm going to go down to the farm after I've done these and do them too. And then I need to check that swarm in the garden that come in. Give them some frames. That's what we're doing. I bet there's not much flight. I got some wood yesterday for making stands, so I can get another stand up for them two hives. Get them on a stand off the grass. Should have brought my strimmer really, strimmer the doorway. So that's what I'm doing. I bet they're not going to be very happy bees today, but it's got to be done. Looks like the old mating nukes are still active. That's good. Good. I wonder if they figured out how to get all that food out of that stack yet. They're all flying though. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. And I've got limited GoPro battery because like a numpty I didn't put it on charge, and I've not got my power pack, so it'll be brief video. So all the hives are active. Not very active in this weather, but I bet they were yesterday. They're all bringing plenty of pollen in. Pollen! Let's have a go. So all these hives here, these 7 hives here, they're all doing all right. I might get some feed on them just in case, because they've eaten back a lot of what they had put up in their supers, which is a good thing because that means they'll be consuming what was in the brood box as well. So any oilseed rape honey now that was in the hives should be gone. They should have ate it back. So yeah, we'll have a look in a couple of these, but not them number 2s, because they'll still be, the queen will still be trying to get a leg over, I think, the weather we've been having. But the blue one should be mated queen by now. If not, then we'll probably have to combine them with one of the others. The bees coming and going. Have a quick look. So yeah, all them bees are doing all right. They might just want a bit of backup food, possibly. They weren't very happy. I know, sorry little bee, but had to be done. I didn't check the 2 number 2s because obviously they're queening. The blue one still like no signs of mated queen. There seems to be definitely queen in there, but there was no eggs. So although with the weather we've been having, I'm not surprised. Just keep checking. That's all we can do. Oh yeah, remember like the last video I sold the grey panda, but don't worry DC, I've got the yellow peril. She's going nowhere. Bee smoker on the back, boop choop, with its badly tinted windows, bad paint job, well, lack of peel. Pandas on the run. Right, so we're at the other farm now. We're going to have a run through these bees here. See, make sure everything's alright. Grass is a bit long. Oh, sugar, a bit bumpy. Good job we're in the 4x4 Sun's come out now. Perhaps these ones won't be as annoyed. The bees are flying. See what's going on. So these bees look like they're doing a lot better in this poly nuke. Say they'll do better than they will do in an hive. just see if they're picked up a bit. I'll come back anyway. So they're doing much better in here. She's laid out all the way up to the edge. So that's what we wanted. They can keep it warmer, you see, and they can keep it more stable in the poly nuke. They weren't big enough for the hive. So the bees are on the old sugar, you see. The bees that have got sugar left are on it, and the bees that did have sugar have ate it. So I think we might have to do a bit of feeding. Let's see if we can just... That's fairly heavy. Fairly heavy. Shit, that's heavy. Maybe not. Maybe they got a lot in the brood boxes. Fucking hell, yeah. Perhaps they got a lot in the brood box then. We'll have a look. These bees are on it, these ones. Look at them all up here. Maybe looking for food. So this hive successfully requeened itself. There's fresh 1-day-old eggs in there. You'll never ever see them on a GoPro, but trust me, they're there. So we've got a new queen in this hive. The old play cups. So I'm not gonna try and find her, I don't think. I'm waiting for my new marker pen in the right colour to come. But that's good news that, you know, we've got the queen in there. She successfully got mated. These are quite ginger bees. So we'll close them back up. Hopefully we'll have a good success with our queens this year again. We did pretty well last year. Just got to hope for the weather. What do you reckon, bees? So I'm not going to double stack them back on a double stack, because they're obviously going to lose numbers before they gain numbers, because the queen's only just started laying. So I'll put this box up here on top of there, and they can all scurry down. Just have a look what's going on in here. This is a Zander box. German beehive style. Yeah, they'll all go downstairs and regroup, so hopefully we can get the lid on this box. Job done. So we lay the brick flat. Now we know the queen's mated. And we've just got one of these to check to make sure, see whether the queen's got mated. She's got one. Well, I'll give her a frame so we can see whether she's pulled cells onto it. So these hives ain't doing too bad really. That one was just a swarm that went into there. They've got a queen. She's laying eggs. That one's doing well. These three are doing well. We've took another frame from the middle hive and put into this hive because they didn't seem, well, it's a bit strange. I can see eggs in there, but there's not many. So what I've done is I've took a frame out of the other hive over there with fresh brood, fresh day-old eggs and stuff, so that then I put it in here, put it in this one, so then if there's no queen in there, they should pull swarm cells. They should pull emergency cells in this one. That one's queen right, the others, they're all doing good. all good in the bee hood for another week. I've been looking around and I can't seem to see any swarms, so I'm doing kind of well. We caught the one in there and we caught 3 at the garden, and yeah. And this hive is successfully queened itself and got the queen going, so that's good. So yeah, next thing will be splits again.